It's a challenge to communicate all the ways you influence your sphere of research. Web of Science provides several tools working in tandem to help you take control, save time, and demonstrate your impact. Use Web of Science Core Collection's Author Search to gather your articles, get metrics for your publications, claim them as your authored works, and promote them publicly with the Publons profile to show a 360-degree view of your influence. To get started, navigate to the Web of Science Core Collection, then click on the Author Search tab. This begins a guided search that will bring back one or more author records associated with your name. An author record is a collection of publications we think belong to you. Learn more about how author records are created in our first video in this series. If your name is unique, you may be taken straight to your singular author record, like this example. If your name is extremely common, you'll be guided through the search by filtering for country and affiliation first. If there is more than one record that represents your name, maybe because you've published under different names or share your name with someone else, you'll be shown a pick list of author records. You can preview publication and author information to narrow down your choices. Combine your author records together into one. Now that your publications are combined into one record, you can begin to work with the information and claim your articles. See a summary of your author metrics in this panel on the right. Get even more data by using this link to view these articles as a set of records, export, analyze them, or get a downloadable citation report. But don't stop there. Make sure to claim your author record to Publons to make all of this great data public. It's a free profile that combines your publication and citation data with peer review and editorial activity to show a 360-degree view of your research contributions. Right now, this record is labeled as unclaimed. Click the Claim This Record button to get started. If you already have a Web of Science login, use those credentials. If not, register for a profile now. Once you're signed in, you can accept or reject each publication you've just imported. Publons sends that feedback to Web of Science, and it will be reflected in your author record, making it easier for people to search for and find your publications. Once you've claimed your author record, it will be updated in Web of Science with your unique Web of Science Researcher ID number and verified as claimed. Once an author record is claimed, it can only be managed by you through your Publons profile. You will be able to import any future publications through Publons suggestions, or you can search for new author records in Web of Science and add them to your profile. Web of Science users will be able to click through to your Publons profile from your author record, view your curated profile, and learn more about you. Publons not only stores author publication data that is claimed from Web of Science, but also is a way to promote your larger scholarly contributions, the impact of your publications through the citation data from Web of Science, as well as your peer review and editorial work. A Publons profile is the only 360-degree view of your research activities available. Take control of your author identity and promote your contributions using all the tools available: author records, Web of Science Researcher ID, and Publons.